In today's class, we are going to look at some questions in logarithm. We are going to start with the first one here. Simplify logarithm of 125 to base 5 minus logarithm of 25 to base 5. So it's going to be log 125 to base 5 minus log 25 to base 5. Here we can find out that the two logarithms are in the same base, which is base 5. So, and the two logarithms are subtracting each other. So it's going to be logarithm to base 5, then 125 divided by 25. So whenever two logarithms are subtracting each other and they have the same base, so it's going to be division. So that's why we have 125 divided by 25. Here we now have logarithm to base 5. 125 divided by 25, we are going to have 5. Then whenever you have a logarithm and that logarithm has the same base, it's going to be 1. So here the answer to this is now equals to 1. For instance, if you also have log to base 2 of 2 is equals to 1. You can also have log to base 5 of 5 is also equals to 1. So that is the rule. Let's check out the second question. Here we have simplify logarithm of square root of 125 to base 5. So we can rewrite it as log to base 5 of 125 raised to power 1 over 2 or half, which is going to be equals to, then this half is going to multiply the whole logarithm. It's not going to be 1 over 2, then log to base 5 of 125. Then recall, but log to base 5 of 125 is equals to x. Therefore, 5 raised to power x will be equals to 125. This is going to be equals to 5 raised to power s is equals to 5 raised to power 3. Because when you multiply 5 into 3 places, you are going to have 125. So since they have the same base, 5 is here, 5 is here, you are going to equate the power. So we now have it that x is equals to 3. Then let's now come back to our equation. So we have it as 1 over 2 log to base 5 of 125. Here we are going to replace log 125 to base 5 with 3. So we now have 1 over 2 multiplied by 3, which will give you 3 over 2. So this becomes your final answer. Solve log 128 to base 2 is equals to 7. Here we are required to show that log to base 2 of 128 is equals to 7. Here is going to be log 128 to base 2 is equals to 7. But 128 is equals to 2 raised to power 7. When you multiply 2 7 times, you are going to get 128. Therefore, log to base 2 of 128 equals to 7 is not going to be log to base 2. We are going to replace 128 with 2 raised to power 7. So we have 2 raised to power 7 is equals to 7. Then based on our logarithm law, 7 is going to multiply the whole log. So we now have 7 log 2 to base 2 is equals to 7. Now here we have log 2 to base 2 is going to be 1. We now have it as 7 multiplied by 1 is equals to 7. Therefore, 7 is equals to 7. So we have proven that log 128 to base 2 is equals to 7. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. See you in the next class. Thank you.